Okay, it is Saturday, almost the end of week 1 of Hard 75. It has been a long week, but it is time so today I'm going to plan out my meals for next week and get my grocery list going. It is snowing a good bit outside, so I am not going to go grocery shopping right now. I may go grocery shopping later on today when it hopefully stops snowing. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my recipes together and get my grocery list together. I am so excited to switch out my recipes. I can honestly say that this would not have been possible this week if I had not meal prepped and if I had not meal prepped enough to get me through the week. There's a lot going on during Hard 75. Also just like the everyday life that you have, and then you're tacking on all of these other things that you're trying to get done. So meal planning and meal prepping, I have quickly learned, is of utmost importance. I really like the meals that I made last week, but I'm super ready to switch it up because I've been eating the same exact thing for 6 days straight. So excited for new meals tomorrow, and let's get started. Okay, so like I mentioned, I get pretty much all of my recipes from Pinterest. I will continue to link my Hard 75 recipes board below in the description. So last week, if you haven't watched my week 1 prep video, highly suggest you do. But last week I made sauteed shrimp, pot roast, and oh my god, fajitas. Drawing a blank. Really liked all of those, and like I said, it did make enough for the entire week, so I'm gonna make 3 meals again, but I'm gonna switch it up a little bit and do some different things. So this week I have decided to make chili, and I really liked the roast that I made last week, so I'm gonna make kind of a different version of roast this week, and I'm gonna do this slow cooker beef stew. And then I'm gonna make some Greek meatballs, probably with a pasta. I feel like I need some carbs. I don't feel like I feel like it'll give me some energy, keep things going. But it's, like I said, y'all, it's snowing. It's so cold right now in Chicago. So I'm on like a warm weather soups and chili kind of vibe. That's what I'm craving. I also had chili when I was at home over winter break, and it was so good. So these are the 3 that I'm going to make this week. And then I've got to get all of my ingredients together and then check what I already have to make sure I don't buy things that I don't need. So let's go ahead and do that. Second recipe, I am going to be doing this slow cooker beef stew. Super excited for this. Like I said, I literally could have eaten that pot roast last week like every single day, but I didn't have enough. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different this week. It's kind of like a soup version of pot roast. Oh, look at how good that looks. Yeah, I'm excited. This does get cooked in the crock pot. I go crazy for the crock pot. I love the crock pot. It's my kind of cooking. You dump and walk away. I mean, could it be any easier? Third recipe I'm gonna do, so I have actually never made meatballs before. I've never made meatballs, but they sounds really good, and it's kind of something different, and I'll learn to cook something different, which sounds exciting. This page has so many different meatball recipes on here, but I'm going to cook, where's the Greek ones? These Greek turkey meatballs. So I like this because it gives me a different type of meat in my repertoire, and not just eating ground beef all the time. So excited for that. So this does serve it on zucchini noodles, which I might do zucchini noodles. I might do regular noodles. I have some regular noodles that I already have, so save a little money there, use what I already have, and it looks really easy. Again, this is a Whole30 recipe. So it's all about your substitutions and things like that. I am doing a very loose version of Whole30. Main focus here being no added sugar. That's like my main diet that I'm following for this. Okay, so these are my 3 recipes and all of their ingredients. So now I'm gonna go to my kitchen and see what I already have. One of my least favorite things to do in the entire world is go to the grocery store and buy things that I already have. Groceries are expensive enough and meal planning is expensive enough. I do not need to buy things that I already have. So let's go see what I got. One thing I forgot to mention, this week my snack was the chia pudding with berries and granola. I'm gonna switch that up a little bit next week too, and I think I'm gonna do the overnight oats with fruit and granola. Partially because I already have the oats and I already have the almond milk, so don't have to buy anything there, as well as the chia seeds. I've already got that. So I'll just need a little bit more fruit, and I bought, this was on sale, 3 for $15 at the store, so I bought 3 of these, so I don't need that either. But I'm gonna add that to the list. So I just got back from grocery shopping for the week. I went grocery shopping right after the hardest hot yoga class of the week. So 1, I need to eat, and 2, I need a shower. But first, let's get these groceries put away. I was able to get most of my shopping done at Aldi, which y'all know how much I love Aldi. I actually heard a girl in the line as I was packing up my groceries. She saw what the total rang up to, and she said, "Wow, I should shop here more often." I said, "Thank you." Okay, so I got so much stuff at Aldi. Like, I got so much stuff. And the bill came out to $88.98. And then I had to get a couple things that Aldi didn't have or were out of at Jewel, much shorter. I spent $24 there. So what, 821, 112 this week on groceries, which I'm not mad about. I also had to get a couple things for the house and a couple things for Louis. So 112 for the week for every single meal. Not mad about it. All right, let's put these groceries away. Side note, I will also say that 112 for the protein heavy meals that I'm doing is not bad at all. Like, I had to buy ground beef, ground turkey, and beef stew meat, so 3 different types of meat. I don't think 112 is that bad. So yeah, that's all. Okay, I have showered, I have eaten, I am ready to go, feeling like a new person. Let's cook. Okay, so first up, we are gonna make the beef stew because it has to cook in the crock pot for like 8 hours. So we're gonna do that one first. It's also by far the easiest. So let's get started. Okay, stew is done. Now we're gonna make the meatballs. I've actually never made meatballs before, so this is kind of exciting for me. It's something new. So let's go. Okay, the meatballs are in the oven. I hope that those turn out good. I don't know, they felt like a little moist. So I guess we'll see. Next up though, let's make the chili. So we have everything ready to go for week 2 of 75 Hard. Now, if you haven't been keeping up with my shorts from week 1, be sure to tune in on either YouTube or TikTok. I am making short form videos every day following my 75 Hard journey, just showing workouts that I do, what I eat, kind of my overall fitness and health routine every day of these 75 days. So be sure to check those out. I am posting shorts on YouTube and posting TikToks as well. I'll post the link to my TikTok below in the description. But yeah, okay, here we go. Week 2 of 75 Hard. Let's get it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to check out my week 1 prep video, my week 1 review video, and keep up all week long as I document my daily routines. I will see y'all back next time.